Located in southwest China, Yunnan Province is a land of rich natural and cultural resources that attract visitors from all over the world. Let's embark on a journey through Yunnan's World Heritage sites with friends from all over the world. This stop, we step into Yuanyang terraced fields to explore the millennial-old farming civilization and witness the harmonious coexistence of man and nature.
Hi guys, I'm Alexandra. I come from Russia and I've been living in China for the last 10 years. As you can see, I am now surrounded by the incredible Hani Terraces right here in Yunnan Province, which is a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site. And it's hard to believe, but these terraces were carved into the Ailau Mountains more than 1,300 years ago. And today, more than 300 irrigation channels flourish these beautiful fields. As you can see, behind me is a morning view, and the clouds is drifting among mountains softly like a soft blanket. And I feel how the Hani people have lived in harmony with this land for generations. Well, I found a really interesting tourist guide here, and I'm going to look for a local guide to take me around and get to know better about this place. And I'm taking you with me. Well, let's go! Hi guys, now I arrived at my first point here in Ajakhe village. I'm going to meet my first tour guide here, Li Xedong.
嗨，小艾老师你好，观众朋友大家好。我也用英文吗？
不用，我可以说中文的。
太好了，太好了。那这样，我今天带着小艾老师和观众朋友一起去感受和体验我们哈尼梯田世界灌溉工程遗产的一些相关的技术，我们一起去看一看。
走。
这个就是我们的灌溉系统了。很多人都说呀，就是来到我们的汉梯田都会问什么叫四速统购，说的就是我们的森林、村寨、梯田、河流。森林在上方，森林下方就是村落，村落下方是梯田，梯田下方就是河谷，水系始终是在中间循环，而且呢非常的干净，它是可以直接饮用的。
真的假的？我可以试一下吗？
可以，您试一下。怎么样？
可呀。
对。好，小艾老师，我们就到下一个点去看一下我们的水是怎么分配的。
好啊，
走吧。到了每年春耕的时候，就要根据田块数量进行分流。一般我们会采用木刻分水的方式。
是木头的木吗？
对，没错，就是在老百姓的共同见证下通过公开的方式，在一条横木上通过这个刻度的方式进行分水，然后分流到各家各户田块里面，这种叫木刻分水。
What Li Xedong told me is just fascinating. He said this water management system has been used this way for thousands of years. And you know, I'm walking around and I can see water wheels and diversion gates everywhere. This eco cycle is still running today. And I'm so intrigued. Let's keep walking and get to know more. I've been walking around all morning long, and now I'm going to try some local dishes. I already ordered a few, so today I'm also your food blogger, and I'm going to take you on a tasteful journey. This one I know, it's a roasted meat, and we also have it in Russia. It looks just so tasty. And this one, I can see 3 kinds of different plants, but I don't know what it is. It's so special. Hello. This is a little flower. It's the lady boss of this restaurant. She was a warm, shy local girl.
我回到村里面大概有8年了吧。起初呢，就是想着参与到整个村庄的保护与传承里面。到现在带着16位阿姨在这里接待游客，说着我们的梯田故事，我们的哈尼文化。
Nowadays, an increasing number of young people choose to return to their hometowns to start businesses like Shakwa. They take root in the countryside and join hands to become guardians of the Hani Terraces. allowing the 1,000-year-old farming culture to be rejuvenated through the integration of culture and tourism. For many years, the Hani people have shaped these mountains. It's not just a beautiful view, it's a vast living cultural landscape. Every terrace and irrigation channel tells a story of the Hani people's profound connection to this land in Ailau Mountains. Elders sing ancient songs, children run along the ridges, and water still flows through every channel. This is what living heritage truly means. Not a relic locked away in a museum, but a story that is still unfolding.
这个蛇链是我们哈尼族的一个守护蛇。给你戴上吧，祝你身体健康，事事顺利哈。